and a 12.
What you doing, Mauro?
I don't want to talk about it. I do not want to talk. But if we have to talk about it.
Yeah.
What's going on is we're doing coilovers on the MR2 Spider 2000. I got them done in an hour, the front ones. And camber plates. Camber don't go this way.
Direction, diagonal.
Camber goes like this. Yeah. This ain't gonna work. Oh shit. What?
Oh, it dropped down?
Yeah.
Keep going. That looks better.
Hell yeah.
Now let me just twist this knob all the time.
Wait!
Did you take a photo of how it looked like before it was like lowered?
I have it in the parking lot of a McDonald's when I put the wheels on the first time. So that's all I got.
Mauro, you should get those Regimasters, bro.
I know, bro, but that made money.
$800.
I know, bro. That was a steal. Regimasters do not go that cheap.
They're still for sale.
Are they really?
Yep. Last time I checked.
Well, Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy finished today. Tune in next week. Head ass.
You don't have proper PPE on.
Sheesh! I got more flex than a Tacoma.
Shake it a little bit.
I fucking pushed the fender in.
I don't know, fam. Oh, you still got the other side up.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, I don't know. That doesn't look very look very far down.
So I said I got more flex than a Tacoma. MR2s, they can do it all.
Yeah.
Buenos dias.
Oh.
Alejandro. You're.
Oh, I should want my lighter.
How many fingers?
You're.
2-finger gap.
Hold on, man.
The fuck is that? Woogity 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 woogity.
Like this, nigga. Look at this here.
That's the POV line. Hell yeah. Hey. Goddamn. You was one crazy little lady.
Bro.
And then I'm fucking trying to put the
She be up in that air
bearing
though.
into a car.
Yeah, bro, I just took some fucking shrooms.
The hell?
I'm like, bro, it's 9 in the morning. He starts laughing. I know.
Here.
That man made the most amount of noise entering and leaving.
Oh, damn. Damn, I don't know. I fucked up everything. I'm trying to get out of this bitch.
He said the wrong dude too. Only got one eye. Where's he gonna go find? His brother? Half his brother? Can I see that WD-40, please? Sure.
Hey,
What's wrong with Alex? He
in.
looked at kind of.
Oh, he had to go do something at
He looked
Omar's
kind
house.
of. He looked at kind of discombobulated.
Oh,
He
because
was.
he lost his contact.
He lost the fucking contact.
Wait till you see his fucking. So what was done to the white one?
Honda chop. It had 3.7 heads. No, it had 3.5 heads, 3.7 cams, and a 3.5 upper intake. Hey, zoom in my face, and that bitch.
And that dude still slow as hell.
But you ain't want no smoke with it. I'm saying,
I told you to race
bro,
me.
I tried to race you.
And
Your
then-
ass.
And he
bro.
tried to race me, and guess what happened the next week?
Bro.
Blew it up.
I did not blow it up.
Blow
The
it up.
transmission blew up. And you ain't even want to smoke with the green one. Holy shit. And
Just
I
said
was
it?
slower.
No, I didn't have the Allen key on.
Yeah. Come on, man. Motherfuckers ain't want to smoke with the CL.
Well,
That was the original Hemi killer.
well,
right
he got a
there.
Corvette and you got a Camaro and a GTO now. So what y'all trying to do? Lock it in.
I'll race the Camaro. I ain't racing that GTO.
What you scared of the GTO? All that power don't mean shit if he
That
can't
92 millimeter turbo sitting in the motherfucking hood.
hook. Bro, all that power don't mean
98.
shit if he can't hook, bro. I'm telling you this, bro. Come on, man.
Don't
you got
drag
that.
back on that bitch?
So what? That don't mean
stock
shit
wheels
if
now.
that don't mean shit on the street. Stop being a pussy, bro.
Hey, I got a real question.
Yeah.
How do you balance drag radials? The same?
The same way.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I balanced some drags, I balanced some, a 2ZZ revs out to 80,
Damn.
8200.
And is it just different heads for the 2CZ or is it just
There's different heads.
different heads?
Heads, cams, and
And the 3? The 3's a whole different block, right?
there's no 3.
So if
Oh, I
you
thought it
if you
was
were to
three.
change the heads, you have to get different pistons.
Nigga
too.
asking. I don't
For
know about
clearance.
this shit.
Yeah.
It's like you asking me about me
Nigga, you look like a Dollar Tree pirate, bro. You like a Dollar Tree Jack Sparrow, bro.
Right?
Nigga,
I'm lying.
That's
you said
Omar.
you
That's Omar, nigga.
I need
nah, bro. That's you over there winking at me and
straight
shit.
from work.
Winking, bitch, I can't see. Again?
He ain't never had it.
Hey, take the Toyota badge off and put a Lexus badge.
Bet.
The Lexus MR2.
So you got a poor man's LFA.
What would they call it if Lexus did,
The
rebadge
MR2.
this?
The MR2.
I think they would call it something different.
The MR2.
Yeah, they would call some different.
They would call it like
The LC 250.
LC250.
Yeah.
You got something with
The
that.
LC 250.
The LC 250.
Nah, it'd be an
Nah, the LC 100.
Why would it be a SC?
Or the
It
LC
looks
150
nothing
Sport.
like the SC platform.
You know,
I'm gonna move my car.
Before you do that,
Excuse me.
be smart. Put away everything. Put away everything.
No, we're not done.
What the fuck you mean you ain't done?
We're not done. We're not done. We ain't putting shit till we done.
What the hell you gotta do?
We're not done.
What you gotta do?
I know, but we're not done. I mean,
Bro.
that's the exact same shit you said when you didn't want to take a goddamn box out.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's crazy.
Hey, bro. Me personally.
Me personally, yeah.
Me, hey.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you, these motherfuckers, I ain't go home.
That wasn't loud. That's what I want to have, my nigga.
How's it feel?
I did 3 clicks to hard before we pulled it out. That's way too hard. That thing was bouncing. The whole back end literally felt like it was coming up.
So you put it back?
Back to normal. Once it settles, I can go hard.
So much, you know, so much that the engine is in the back.
Mauro.
What's your experience
Omar
like?
said if you could borrow one of your trucks.
You know, it's a very cool experience. You know, it's very supercar, very Lamborghini-like. You know, you can call this the Japanese Lamborghini.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's talking right now.
Huh?
It's talking right now.
Yeah. It's,
Yes, Dad, you just called my brother.
damn, it's cold. Shit.
Well, is that it? We done here? Well, coilovers are on, car drives. You want to take us out of here, Mauro? Because it's cold as hell.
I will. I'll take us out. I'll take us out. I'll take us out. I'll take us out. I'm Mauro, coming to you live, where today we just happened to install coilovers on the MR2. It's cold, it's Friday, and you have a good night.